Kumachielo nyakurom gajonja tenduon bura mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka onyero weche maliekore ne riwruok mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance osepodho. Kalonzo wacho ni Azimio pod ongeyore kendo tegno. Oloso gi jopiny kanisa ma PCA Baltimore e piny mar Amerika. Kalonzo wacho ni Azimio biro dhi nyime gi tawo chenro mag keto sirikal tesre.
Kurukaruka anasema Azimio. Sasa kama Azimio anasema tulinyorosha mapema. I think he was even forgetting. He's trying to talk to Luo Nyanza mpatie support. Lakini unachekelea baba na baba amelala. Anasema tulinyorosha. Sasa ndio mshida maajabu ya leadership ya kwetu kule. But ODM pia wamezungumza openly huko Busia. Wakasema they are not in UDA. And so they Azimio la Umoja One Kenya. That is the argument inaendelea, very healthy argument. Kutusaidie kwa maombi ndio William Ruto amke aone. The Constitution says Kenya is a multi-party democracy.